Is your 2015 Jaguar XF key fob not working? Common symptoms include non-responsive buttons, intermittent unlocks, or failure to start the car. The most likely cause is a dead CR2032 battery. To replace the battery, first pry open the key fob using a coin, being careful not to scratch the plastic. Remove the old CR2032 battery, then insert a new one with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob shut securely. Once replaced, test the key fob by pressing the buttons for lock, unlock, and lights. If the buttons now work, you've resolved the most common issue. A weak or dead battery affects 85% of cases. If not, continue to the next section for smart key reset procedures. If a new battery didn't solve the issue, your 2015 Jaguar XF key fob might need to be reset or resynchronized with the car. First, enter the vehicle and cycle the ignition off and on 10 times quickly with the key in the car. Next, remove and reinsert the key. If you have multiple keys, you may need to resync them. Hold the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds near the car. Then press the start button. These steps should re-establish the connection between your key fob and your vehicle's system. If these steps don't work, there may be an ECU fault or other complex problem. Consulting a Jaguar dealer may be the next option.